Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable two WhatsApp application on your Blackview Tab 12. So if you need the second WhatsApp account for the work, for example, with the separated contacts numbers, I'm gonna show you two ways for that. The first one is by opening the Play Store, then tap on the search bar and look for the WhatsApp app. But not for the normal WhatsApp app, look for the WhatsApp Business and install this one. And by this way, I have two WhatsApp applications. That's it. Now the second way, go to the search bar in the Google Play Store like before and look for the Dual Space app. Choose one of them. I have installed that one, so we can launch it. And choose Agree and Continue. Now allow permissions and tap on the WhatsApp icon and whole process starting automatically, and we are creating next WhatsApp application on our device. And that's it, this is how it works. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.